Question 16, Part A. Mr. Tan had some bags to sell at his store. The line graph below shows the number of bags left in Mr. Tan's store at the end of each day from Monday to Sunday. Mr. Tan sold each bag for $18. On Saturday, for every 2 bags sold to a customer, a third bag was given for free. On Sunday, for every bag sold to a customer, a second bag was given for free. How many bags were left in Mr. Tan's store at the end of the day? So for this, we need to look at the number of gaps. In this case, we have the number of gaps. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 gap equal to 20. 1 gap equal to 20 divided by 5. This will be 4. So we want to know how many bags were left in Mr. Tan's store at the end of Wednesday. So Wednesday over here, if we were to look at this, the line, the bits, then it will just be 1, 2, 3. So 3 gaps. So Wednesday is basically 80 plus 3 gaps times 4. This will be 92 bags the end of Wednesday. So let's go to part B. So part B over here says how much money was collected from the sale of bags on Tuesday. So in order for us to calculate Tuesday, we want to find out not only on Tuesday, but we also need to find out on Monday as well. So in this case, the difference is just 1 gap was here over here. So number bags sold on Tuesday is equal to Monday left minus Tuesday left. In this case, it's equal to 1 gap. Or if you want to calculate, it will be 116 minus 112. This will be equal to 4. So total sold on Tuesday is equal to 4 times 18, and this will be give us $72. So always check what the graph is showing. It says here number of bags left. So that means the starting number, which is Monday, and the number at Tuesday, the difference is how much is sold. In this case, I'm gonna write here sold, put it over here. Otherwise, then you will mistake of calculating how much bags were left and multiplying the dollars amount, which is not exactly what we want. All right, let's go to part C. From question 16, part C, from Tuesday to Sunday, on which day was the most amount of money collected from the sale of bags? Okay, so in this case, we can look at how much has been sold. So same thing from Monday, Tuesday, right? So generally, if you are able to see the steepest curve, then it's actually much. So if we were to just calculate everything from Sunday and to itself, then we are able to calculate how much. Okay, so from here, we want to know each individual, I would say, gaps between like in between. So the number of gaps over here, in this case, we put it in green. This is 1 gap. Okay, and then from day to day, same thing. We want to calculate gaps. So we have 1, 3, 4, and 5. 5 gaps. Everything here are number of sold. Then over here, we have how many gaps? 1, 2, 3. Next one, couple, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 inside. Okay, so I've calculated from each of the days. So Tuesday we have 1, Wednesday we have 5, Thursday we have 3, Friday we have 6, Saturday we have 4, Sunday you have 8. So the thing is that if you think it is Sunday, then not exactly, because on Sunday for every bag sold to a customer, the second bag was given for free. So that means, throw this out, on Sunday, for every bag sold to a customer, a second one is free. All right, so this is the number of gaps that we have over here. So we know one customer on Sunday get free 2 bags. So number of bag on Sunday is equal to, so we know the gap, the previous question is 1 gap is 4. So in this case, as 8 gaps equal to 8 times 4 be 32. And the thing is that for Sunday, 2 bags Sunday equal to $18. So 32 bag Sunday equal to 32 divided by 2 times 18. And this will become $288. Okay. But the thing is, the second last one is Friday. So number of bags on Friday is 6 gaps. Means it's 24. The thing is that Friday, no discount or freebie. Means Friday so equal to 24 times 18 will be $432. So the thing is that since Friday has dollars for 32 and Sunday has 288, Friday is the most amount of money collected from the sale of bag. So there you go. That is Friday. So question 16, part D. What was the least possible amount of money collected from the sale of bags on Saturday? So Saturday is for gaps, means 4 times 4, which is 16 bags. Now the thing is that from the question on Saturday, third bag was given after 2 bags is sold for each customer. So that means one customer, or in essence, 3 bags sold go to bags price. Means 3 bags sold Saturday go to 2 times 18. This will give us dollars 36. So we need to know the number of group of 3 bag groups that sold the bags. We know that the total is 16. Then divided by 3 to give us 5. Remainder 1. So that means if one group that sold 3 bags go to $6, that means 5 groups basically. 5 times 6 be 1/8 total. Then be means is 5 groups that sold 3 bags plus 1 remainder bag to 180 plus 18 be dollars 1. So that's the least amount of possible collect.